family. Today I am here to share with you on how to use Phyllo Dough for dessert or snacks. Two ways of doing it, and it's very low in calories and it's simple and it's delicious and crunchy. Stay tuned and then we will start. For this recipe you will need Phyllo Dough, apples, cinnamon, sugar, cream cheese, strawberry and butter. You will need apple. Wash and slice your apple. You can slice it as thin as you want. Depending on how many you are doing, you might not even need a full apple. So I just went ahead and slid it to the sizes that I wanted to use for the snacks or dessert. Very thin as you can see, but you can go thinner than that. If you want a little bit chubby, you can go ahead and also do that. It's your preference. And as you can see, the Phyllo Dough, you can find it from Walmart, Target, Shores, Stop and Shop, any grocery store. You would definitely need a butter for your pan. Just butter it up. So looking at the box, you can tell that the calories is definitely lower than the pastry or the puff pastry. So every sheet that you put down, make sure that you batter it up. I use 6 to 8 sheets because I was just doing it for 4 people. Just make sure you work very fast, because when the sheet is outside of the fridge, it dries up very fast and you do not want that. So make sure that you are ready to bake when you remove your sheets. If you're not ready, put it back in the fridge when it's outside of the box. You put your apple slice on the sheet, and then you put your cinnamon. No really preference on your preference as far as measurement is to your taste. As you can see how I did mine. And then after the cinnamon, I put brown sugar. I kind of put a little bit on it, and then I cut this sheet. You didn't have to do that. You can just go ahead and spread out with your apple, and then you can make another sheet to cover it. But I was just doing it for 4 people, so I went ahead and used at least 6 to 8 sheets, and then I cut the half to cover it, as you can see in the video. Brush butter on the sheets and then sprinkle brown sugar on it. Now we're going to move on to the cream cheese recipe. You will definitely need to mix the cream cheese of 2 teaspoons and then 2 teaspoons of sugar. And the same way, go ahead and butter your sheets. You can use 6 sheets or 8 sheets. It comes in a big box, and I still have it left over in the fridge. Just scoop 1 I would say teaspoon of your cream cheese. You can do 1 tablespoon, depending on also how many people you're gonna serve. Also go ahead, I use frozen strawberry. It was much more juicier and easier for me. And then as you can see, I cut it into half and then cover it in the same process that I used for the first one. I brushed the butter on it, and I did not put brown sugar on it because it's already sweet. Preheat your oven and bake it at 375 for 10 to 15 minutes. And look at that. I put the powdered sugar on the strawberry one, but you don't have to. You have to listen to the crunch of this. And listen to the crunch too.
Another apple.
Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.